ImportError, no module name Tkinter. For some reason, I can't use the Tkinter or Tkinter module. After running the following command in the Python shell, or I got this error. Modulano found error, no module name Tkinter. Or Modulano found error, no module name Tkinter. What could be the reason for and how can we solve it?
You probably need to install it using something similar to the following. For Ubuntu or other distros with apt. For Fedora, you can also mention a Python version number like this. Finally, import Tkinter for Python 3 or Tkinter for Python 2, or choose at runtime based on the version number of the Python interpreter for compatibility with both.
As you are using Python 3, the module has been renamed to Tkinter, as stated in the documentation. Note Tkinter has been renamed to Tkinter in Python 3. The 2 to 3 tool will automatically adapt imports when converting your sources to Python 3.
If you're using Python 3.9 on Mac, you can simply install Tkinter using brew. This fixed it for me. Edit. As mentioned by others, you can also use the general command to install the latest version.
For Windows 10, it is important to check in the Python install the optional feature tcl/tk and idle. Otherwise you get a modulano found error, no module name Tkinter. In my case, it was not possible to install Tkinter after the Python install with something like pip install Tkinter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.